Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Priyanka and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane and a paper boat. Like both of these, but with colored paper of course. Come on, let's get started. You can use blank paper too, but let's see what we'll start with first. I think we can start with the boat. We will start with the blue, of course. First, you make like that. Be careful, it's all neat. Then, here it's supposed to be on this side, okay? Now, take one of these, make them like that, and like this. It's supposed to be the same size, but it doesn't supposed to be like that. And we take one only edge. It's supposed to be here, like that. That's why I told you it's supposed to be like that. And then put it backwards. Take the other side and make it like this. So I'm just going to make it like this. Be careful. Now I can just take it like this and make it like that. Be careful, no cutting or no gluing. Oops, what have I done? My mom came to help me because I'm not really good at this. Oh, phew. Now, we just I don't think so, but it's like that. My mom will help me fixing it. We have done a boat. Now I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. Here's our pink paper. Now make it like that. Fold it into two sides. Like this. A whole bunch of top. Then unfold it like that. Take this piece and do it as the boat. You can use any size of paper you like. When I go too fast, you can pause the video. Now open it up from here and hold it from here. Paper airplane. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you make it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.